Hello, it's Beginning Yi 2.0, Part 2 of 15, Project Installation. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use Composer to install our YICOM website. And we're going to create our project in our IDE. So we're going to install our framework, open your command line, and change to your web root directory. In my case, that'll be C:/hack xampp hack htdocs, because htdocs is where my web root is. And then you're going to paste the following into your command line. I'll put this in the notes section on the YouTube video site. And then you're going to, Composer will run and install the Yi framework into a new directory named YICOM. Then we're going to create the project in our IDE. So open your IDE and create a new PHP project. And once you've done that, you're ready to code. Very, very simple, and we'll show you how to do that. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to copy and paste this command line into our command line. And we've moved over to xampp htdocs. Okay, and it's going to create that YICOM directory right here. And it's going to be the advanced application from YISoft. Okay, so let's watch that work. Looks like I need to check for an update to Composer, but that's okay, it'll work just fine. It'll take a little while for all of this to install. And that's it right there. Okay, as you can see right here, Composer created my YICOM directory in my web root and loaded me up with all my necessary files. So we have a back end and a front end. We take a look at those. As you can see, and the common has the config and the environments, and front end is here. Tests, vendor, YISoft is going to be a big one. This is Twitter Bootstrap, SwiftMailer. This is a new one. I'm not sure what that is. But there we go. So YICOM has been loaded up. So now what we need to do is come over here to our IDE and create a new project. I'm going to create a new PHP project, and it's going to be called YICOM. I'm going to use 5.4, enable that, and that should give me my new settings. Let's do this, and that gives me a new file here, and so you see all our back end, front end, all of that. So we need to, first thing we need to do is go to our config in our common, and we'll load that up and make the changes that we need to make to our database. Which reminds me, let's go ahead and set up our database real quick, just so that we have it set up. Just create a new database using your PHP MyAdmin, which was part of our XAMPP. So you can just go to admin on MySQL, and it will go ahead and create this database for you. And as you can see, we have no tables in here. And we're going to let the init do that for us. We just have to tell it what the database is and all of that when we do that. We'll do that in our next. We'll work with the database and get our application running here in our next part. Okay, so part 3 we'll be working with the database. That was it for today. That's pretty simple, pretty quick, pretty fast. I hope you enjoyed it. So we use Composer to create our Yi framework in a folder in our web root. And then we used our IDE and created a project called YiCom. Both our folder YiCom and all that's all in our PHP, and we'll finish up there later on tomorrow, or next part 3. See y'all later.